paper airplane called the Flying Ninja. This is what it looks like. Hope you enjoy it. So first, we're gonna make a diagonal. First we're gonna get a piece of paper. It could be red, but I prefer red and white. So let's get started. First, let's make a diagonal crease, then unfold it. So first, let's do this, fold it, and then unfold it. And then we're going to do the same thing with the other corner fold and unfold. So like this. And unfold. So now we have to flip this over, and you should now have a big crease in the X of your paper. Now fold the top of your paper down so that the corner line up preciously with the bottom of the crease X. Unfold then. So like this. Okay, now you have to, after you flip the paper over, lay it down on the table. Then press the middle of the creased X until the sides jump up like this. Pull the top edge of the paper downward as you do the sides of the paper. You should fold inward along the horizontal crease you already made. Is it watching? Okay. Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to bring the bottom right corner of the triangle over to the bottom left corner and crease. Now, next, fold the new bottom right corner of the triangle in so that the crease runs from the top of the triangle to the lower right corner of the paper, like this. It should look like this. So now, we are going to flip this over and lift just the top flap of the paper on the right side of the plane. Fold it to the left side, lining up the bottom edges of the paper, so like this. Now crease. Now fold the left corner of the triangle and just like you did in step 8, make sure it's right on top of the first one, just like that. Now, without making any new folds, unfold the center creases till it looks like this. So like this. Now fold the top of the triangle down so that it sits on the center crease about an inch from the bottom, like this. Okay. Now we have to flip the same flap up so that the point sits on the crease at the top like this. Okay. Now flip this over like this. Then fold it over here like this. Yeah. Now you have to fold it about right here. So like right here. So fold the plane in half from left to right, line up all stage points. So right like this. Now fold this. Now Now the edge of the wing and the body of the plane should be roughly parallel. And fold the second wing, line it up exactly on the first. And we're almost finished. Unfold the wings so it looks like this from the back. And that's the Flying Ninja. See ya.